protect
and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Oath of office of governor.
I, Mr. Peter Obi,
Do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That as the governor of Anambra State, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability. Faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. And the law. And always in the interest of the sovereignty. Integrity. Solidarity. Well-being and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will strive to preserve the fundamental objectives and directive principles of state policy.
Fundamental objectives and directives of the state policy as contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
That I will exercise the authority vested in me as governor. So as not to impede or prejudice the authority lawfully vested in the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct. Or my official decision. That I will, to the best of my ability, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That I will abide by the Code of Conduct contained in the 5th schedule of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That in all circumstances, I will do right to all manner of people according to the law. Without fear or favor. Affection or ill will. That I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter.
That I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration.
Or shall become known to me as governor of Anambra State. Except as may be required for the due exchange of my duties as governor. And that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Nigeria. So help me God.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I did not hear your applause for this moment of history.